A couple just PDM do's and don'ts that I wanted to mention here that I kind of wrote down were things like clear naming conventions from day one. We would love to talk to everybody about naming conventions. We've got a lot of opinions here on that, and there's a couple different ways to look at it. I like multiple different naming schemes that people use. It just sort of depends on your products and what works best for your team. But a lot of people have opinions on those, but we can talk through those. But it's definitely something you want to try to nail down at the beginning if you can. Regular vault maintenance windows, that one's key because PDM runs off of a server environment and servers need a lot of monitoring and a lot of maintenance. So definitely something to keep an eye on. Training users on check-in, check-out procedures. We see this all the time too. One of the big things with our PDM vaults that we host are backups. And if you're not checking in your files, then you're not saving them on the server. You're not really utilizing a lot of the advantages of PDM, and then we can't back them up. So, I mean, I have a lot of our customers that check in with their team on every Friday and say, did everybody check in all their files? Because we see probably every couple weeks somebody opens a ticket with us and says, so and so just left the company and we just noticed they had 10,000 files checked out. What do you then, and we wiped their computer already. Well, there's really no way to recover those versions. So good check-in, check-out procedures are key. And then documenting your workflow for future admins. That's kind of along the same lines as a lot of this is keeping control over how your files are being used. We have something called an ESPR, which is we call it an engineering systems and process review. So basically, we just come in and we document all of your workflows and how everything in your systems and in your company are working and interacting with your CAD data. So the more you can document that kind of stuff, the easier it is to train people when they come on as a new hire, the easier it is to hand off tasks or workloads from admin to admin or anybody like that. And then using data cards to capture critical metadata. Yeah, that's a big one. Use your properties. The more you use those properties, the less people have to type in and the less mistakes there are and the less wasted time you have on redundant activities. So we see people typing in the same stuff every day, and it's like, well, we can completely automate that and just take out a whole hour of your day every day, get that hour back. So there's a lot of automation that can be done within PDM.